Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to my world, the world away. We now got part 54 of Hachette Part Works, Build the Terminator. Not much to do in this issue, and let me show you what I mean here. If we have a look here, we've got the inner side muscle here. This is the inner muscle. We've got the outer muscle there. We've got a muscle cap there, and this is the leg joint section. Now, we did have a joint section last time looking just like that, which again, we're not using in this issue. We also had these left over from last time as well, just to let you know. I'm probably going to be using that this time, but we'll see. All we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing the other inner leg muscle here, and we're going to be attaching that to the Terminator like we did last time, but this time, oh look, they want us to actually plug that in. I thought they do. This time, we're actually going to plug these in where they go onto the pelvis area. I already did this in the last issue. So we are going to have two pieces left over, just to let you know that we're going to be not needing them in this issue. In the next issue, look at that, we've got one whole bit here, and I'm guessing this is going to be metal. I hope it is. This is going to be hitting the fit the hip parts to the top of the right thigh. So I reckon this is going to be a really quick one. So without further ado, let's get cracking. So this is everything that we get in this issue, and all we're going to need first is the inner muscle and the outer muscle. Now if we hold it this way round, this section here is going to be going in here just like last time, this way round, so that it comes out the other side just like that. Now it wants us to take the muscle cap, and just like last time, I'm just going to dot some glue just around. They've got some slight plastic extrusions down there. If I show you on the close-up camera, you'll see what I mean actually. See, I've dotted some glue around there, because just like last time, this is going to be going down the top here, just like this, and it's going to be secured in that section like that. And then when that's in place, it's going to look just like that. And then we just need to put the muscle connection on the end here, and that's going to be going on like that. They just want a little bit of glue on that as well. To be honest with you, that actually holds itself in. I am going to put a tiny bit of glue on there because I don't know what sort of limbs this is going to be holding later. It does say apply a little tiny bit of super glue. I wanted to check that because chances are I might have to take it out again. Which I don't want to do. Again, it doesn't matter what way round we put this in, because as soon as it's in, if I need to turn it, as you can see, it turns anyway. That means we've got two of these now, but these are not used for the rest of this issue, so we can put them to one side. Bring over old Termy here, looking just like that, and I've done it so that you can see where we put this last time. I'm still not quite sure about what this bit's all about. You see that little bit of give in there? But we're just going to be putting this just in the other side, exactly like that, and then plugging that into this section just like that. You heard it click in there, and once again you can see how it articulates there, which looks really good, but I don't know if we're going to have something bracing this to stop it going from side to side there. I'm guessing we do when we put something in here, but that is all we have to do in this issue. And as mentioned at the start, this other part, the leg joint section, isn't used in this issue, so we've got quite a few bits here. If I just put them down here now that we haven't actually used, which are going to be used in a future edition. So that was quick, wasn't it? I didn't think it would be that quick. Tomorrow we have got the next part of Build the Spitfire. We've got pack 3 here, and I'm going to get on that tomorrow. We will get pack 4 next Thursday as well, and then as I said, there'll be a month delay as my subscription delivery starts to come through. But I really do hope you like that video. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Other than that, take care.